If you see the rear belt monitor fault in your Ford vehicle, this may mean that the problem is not with the rear seat belt, but with the driver's seat belt clip. Unfortunately, the codes in the safety system are very misleading, so there is no way to check it with a scanner or something. But according to what I see being repaired when people come to the dealership with this warning, it's almost always the driver's seat belt clip. I believe the clips were faulty in certain cars between 2022 and 2024. The clip itself is okay, but the connection with the wiring is not good. As a result, the car goes crazy when it doesn't get proper readings from that clip. And you may also see the airbag light illuminating on the dash, meaning that no airbags are now active and you are not safe at all. Now, the worst thing is that in a lot of cases, a Ford dealership will not confirm that this is a safety issue, and they will ask for some money for inspection and then say you've damaged the clip by not being very careful with it. This is not correct at all. First of all, this is a 100% safety issue since the airbags turn off when you see this message. Secondly, it is covered by all types of warranty and you shouldn't pay for anything at all. If the dealership makes you pay, contact Ford USA as soon as possible, and I'm pretty sure you will get all the repairs for free. I'm surprised that there is still no recall or even TSB for this issue, so you may also want to open the case with NHTSA to urge Ford to do something with this.